Hi guys, welcome back to the Home and Homestead. I'm Rebecca, and today you'll be joining me in my kitchen where we do some back-to-school breakfast and snack recipes. Today we'll be making some banana oatmeal cookies. These are great for a sweet little treat for breakfast. You can pack them into the lunches or maybe a college care package that you'll send out, or they can make a tasty after-school snack. So let's head over to the KitchenAid mixer and we'll get these banana oatmeal cookies ready to go into the oven. So here in my KitchenAid stand mixer, I have 1.5 cups of flour, and that's an all-purpose flour. To that, I'm going to add 1 cup of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Then I'll add a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg, and that's ground nutmeg. I have my flex edge attachment on here, so I'm just going to mix these dry ingredients a little bit just to incorporate. Now we'll add some wet ingredients. So we have 3/4 cup of butter that's been softened to room temperature, which is a 1.5 sticks of butter. Then we'll add 1 egg that's been sitting at room temperature, and 1 cup of mashed bananas, which ends up being about 2 bananas. You can use fresh or frozen. I used frozen and let them thaw. Then once they were soft enough to mash, I mashed them up in a bowl. So we'll lower that down again and mix to combine these ingredients with the dry ingredients. Now we'll add 1 3/4 cup of oatmeal, and this is a quick cook oatmeal. Lower that down and combine the oatmeal to our mixture here. And now we'll add some chocolate chips, about 1 cup will do, and about a 1/2 cup of chopped walnuts or pecans, and this is totally optional. I had the pecan halves, and then I just used my little mini processor and pulse it a few times to get a nice little coarse chop on those nuts. Add them in there. Now we'll mix to combine the chocolate chips and nuts with our batter. There we go. So now we'll bring this over to the work surface and get our cookies onto some cookie sheets for baking. Alright, so we have the oven preheating to 375 degrees. So now we're just going to scoop our cookie dough onto our cookie sheets. I have some cookie sheets with the parchment paper on top. So just take some cookie dough and scoop it right on there. Make your cookies as big or small as you'd like. Set this one aside. Let's do another cookie sheet worth. Probably get 1 more pan worth. So we have 3 sheets of our cookies all ready to go. The oven is preheated to 375 degrees. We'll bake them for about 15 minutes. Our banana oatmeal cookies have finished baking. They took 15 minutes and they have a nice little golden brown edge to them, and they're still soft and chewy in the middle. So we'll place them onto the cooling rack here. We have 3 pans. There we go. So now we'll just let these cookies cool completely and then we'll have a taste. All right, here are homemade banana oatmeal cookies. These smell absolutely delicious. They kind of smell like banana bread, but even better because you can get that chocolate chip and just the caramelized outside that you get on the crispy edge of a cookie. So they're nice and crispy on the outside and soft and tender on the inside. They're sweet and a little chocolatey, and they're really tasty cookie. So these would be really nice to just have as a sweet treat for breakfast or pack them into lunches. Perhaps you're making a college care package to send out to somebody that's off to college. I bet they would really enjoy these cookies. So now that our cookies have completely cooled, they can be stored in an airtight container. I have a glass mason jar cookie jar here, and that will work well for these cookies. And hopefully the cookies will last a week. More than likely they'll be eaten up long before then because these are so good. I hope you guys really like these cookies as well. Well, if you'd like more inspiration on other back-to-school breakfast or snacks, as well as sweet treats, you can check out my recipes in the kitchen, as well as sweet treats playlists. And hopefully you'll give some of those recipes a try. Well, if you're new to the channel or haven't done so yet, I would really appreciate you subscribing. If you enjoyed this and any other videos that you watch, be sure to click the thumbs up button. I hope you're having a wonderful day. See you next time. Take care.